Today I'm going to make stuffed hamburgers. Frito and cheese stuffed. Got this from Colin's Grammy. She sells Tastefully Simple stuff. And it's a burger press. And we can make stuffed cheeseburgers like we ate in Niagara Falls. We also got Tastefully Simple avocado oil and seasonings. And she has other things over there. What else did you get? Stew or
yeah.
Salsa or what?
We got this. This is corn black bean salsa. And this one I'm really looking forward to. This is sweet pepper jalapeno jam. Woo!
Want that on your hamburger?
Maybe.
Alright, so for the hamburger, so you can make sliders with this thing, perfect squares, regular round ones, stuffed like we're going to use. I'll show you how we do that. I have about 1.5 pounds of hamburger, but I'm not going to use it all. They say take a piece of hamburger about the size of a mango, did you say? Or a clementine? I don't know what they are.
A clementine, a small orange.
So you roll it in a ball, put some saran wrap down there so it don't stick. I guess you don't have to, but it'll be easier with saran wrap. Is that about the size?
Yeah.
We're going to find out. Just press it down with my hand, right?
Right. You want to make a well in the meat.
Oh, well.
So that's why we're using the mold.
Like that.
That looks perfect.
Ooh, hear that grill. The grill's hot. Turn it down a little. Pull this out. Whoa, look.
That's big.
Like that?
Yeah.
And then it's going to be twice as deep when we have a second one in there. About the same size. If it's too much, we'll just trim the edges off. It's pretty easy, see? There's a little more meat there. That's okay. I'll like it like that. Like that. Then we put our stuffing in, which I'm going to use Fritos. Little tiny Fritos. Fritos like that. When I had these in Niagara Falls, they put a fried ravioli inside of one and Doritos in another one. Let me put a little cheese in that too. Let me put the lid on, right?
Yeah.
By hand, and then seal it with this, right?
Okay.
This is the first time doing this, so it's okay.
Good.
It's going to be big, but I'm not going to squash that all the way down, am I? Or am I?
Just gently go to it.
I should scrape the edges off.
Yeah,
I banged my fingernail. Don't worry about my fingernail. Can I do this?
Yeah, then we can use the meat in the next hamburger.
Should I throw this right on the grill?
Press it nice and tight, and then you have to seal the edges with your fingers.
Oh.
You're doing it.
I should put saran wrap on top of that, shouldn't I have?
Yep. I think you'll get it out of.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Well, there's a Frito and cheese stuffed cheeseburger.
Just pinch the sides together.
I can hear it shaking inside. Should I throw this on or make two? That's a hunk of cheese, so you know there's cheese in there. I'll make another one quick.
Okay.
Make them at the same time. Let's see. This way?
Yeah, you got to make the well first.
With a clementine-sized hamburger ball.
Yeah, you got it.
I'll put a link to these down there in the video description.
It's a nice little tool, easy to use.
Tastefully simple. Oh, I forgot the plastic again.
Well, there might be enough fat on it to. So you got it out. That's fine.
Okay. Well, I'll use it this time. I'm learning. You can make them thinner or thicker. Oh, well. Meat well. Did I say it was Colin's Grammy?
Yeah.
My Colin's Grammy. Do you want yours the same as mine?
Yes, please.
If any fall out of the edges, it's okay.
Yeah.
It makes it fun.
I'm okay with.
Little cheese in the middle too? Why not?
Yeah, just like this.
Oh, then I was gonna do this. Try it like this.
Yeah, try that. See if it works.
Oh, put this on top. Like that.
Oh, that looks great.
Squash it up.
I can hear it crunching all the way over here.
Take the excess off. Save that for the next guy. Nice and neat. I don't know how they do it in Niagara Falls, but they do it good.
They do it good.
That's called Rock Burger, that place. Ooh. Break up the edges. See, if I had a little less meat, it would be just the right size for the mold. But look at that. That one's yours.
Nice job.
Yeah. I think this one's a little fatter. There we go. Hors d'oeuvres for dessert. Couple minutes for that. I'll put this on. Kind of steam them a little bit. Flip it once. Nice. Don't they look nice? Flip it twice. When I see them do on TV, I see them sprinkle a little water under their lid when they have their lid. You know, get a little steam in there. Oh, just like on TV.
Yeah, help some caramelize.
And cook the inside of it too. Nice. Settle down a little bit. Are you having one? I think with this extra, I'm going to make a little square slider. How's that? That going to be fun? Even though we don't have a slider roll, but... Isn't that fun? Throw that on the grill. See? Sliders like the White Castle place.
That's cute.
Throw that on there. Yes. One more. Or you can make regular size. Look at that. Make another square slider. It's cute.
Yeah, just enough meat for that.
Yeah, see. Where else are you going to get a perfectly square hamburger? Let's look under here now. Oh, that's how they do it in Niagara Falls. Okay. Slide over here. These are dessert. Splash. Steam them up nicely. This is going to be really good. What a perfect hamburger.
Yep.
With Fritos and cheese inside. And on top, I'm going to melt Swiss cheese on top. Maybe on just one. Do you want it on one or two?
Two.
Okay.
Oh, I can smell it. It smells good. Yeah. Let's get our rolls ready in the meantime.
Okay. This smells delicious. It smells like Fritos. It smells like toasted corn. It's a hockey puck. Beautiful. Now it's our first time, so if it's not perfect, it's okay. Right?
It's gonna be good. Oh, that's looking good, Rick.
Delicious. Remember, we put them square ones on late. I don't want to squish them up. Maybe pretty soon, right?
Yeah, it looks like it might be.
3 minutes. Turn them over. This is Swiss cheese. Is it baby Swiss cheese?
Yep.
Beautiful. Hang on, sliders. I'll get you for dessert. Don't worry about that. Go over there. I got mayo on the bottom, ketchup on the top. I put a little horseradish on there, but I don't want to take away from the Fritos. Ready. I'm going to turn the heat down. I'm gonna eat mine quick. Look at those. Delicious. Alright, get my bun over here. Do you love that? Frito and cheese stuffed cheeseburger. With a tastefully simple hamburger press. 3-in-1 burger press. I like a little horseradish. You don't have to do that. I would also put pickles on. Ooh, that's spicy horseradish. Put the top on. It's delicious, doesn't it? Looks better than that hamburger I had yesterday. Where did we go yesterday? Ruby Tuesday? It's terrible. Don't go there no more. Hear that crunch?
I hear the crunch.
Fritos in there. Melted cheese. I never cut my hamburgers in half, but today I did. It's a little medium done, right? It's fine. I'm taking a bite. First one ever.
I hear the crunch over here.
Oh, I was gonna flip it over again. That's yours. That horseradish makes my nose run.
That's good stuff.
Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to all this good stuff down in the description. Colin's Grammy. Hello, thank you. Hi everybody. Try this if you haven't yet. We can put anything in here, right? Mac and cheese,
Yeah.
fried ravioli like they did.
Right.
You had one
remember?
with cheesecake
I
inside.
had cheesecake and I wouldn't mind trying
understand
that one day.
That's so good.
I like the hamburger press.
Yeah, it's neat. Little square ones too. Little sliders. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. So you want that one?
Oh yeah, I want that one.
Okay. Where's your roll?